Now the third type is this, the conjugation between unpaired electrons and double bond. The first question is this: CH2 unpaired electron, CH double bond CH2. So here beta, what is going to be happen in this? This is this pi bond contains 2 electrons, one from this, one from this. Now this needs only 1 electron to complete its pi bond. So here, because of the conjugation, unpaired electron, sigma bond and double bond, the conjugation is there. So here this comes here, and this become as unpaired electron. So the structure comes CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH2, and an unpaired electron become on this, right? Again, here is the 2 electrons, one come this side, this come this side, this come this side. So these are 2 resonating structures, right? So let's take one more example. Suppose here is the double bond, here is a unpaired electron. So unpaired electron, sigma bond, double bond, conjugation is there, delocalization of electrons takes place. So here 2 electrons, one towards this side, this towards this side, and this electron move to this carbon, right? And the structure form is unpaired and double bond. Now again 2 electrons are there, one, this move this side, this move again this side, and this to this side, right? Now the third question is, unpaired electron and a double bond. So here unpaired electron, sigma bond, double bond, conjugation is there. So 2 electrons are there, one, so now double bond come at this and unpaired electron at this carbon. Again the shifting of electrons, 2 electrons are there, right? Now the next question is, unpaired electron and a double bond. Suppose 2 double bonds are there. Double bond comes, unpaired electron, and here is another double bond. So the delocalization of plate takes place up to the atom, the conjugation exists, right? So the conjugation is unpaired electron, sigma bond, double bond, sigma bond, double bond. So conjugation is up to this carbon, right? So again, and the species come in existence is double bond and unpaired electron this time, right? So again this move, 2 electrons, one come and one to this carbon, and again these species form one by one, right? So these are some questions on the basis of the third type. Let's move to the fourth type. So the fourth type is conjugation between double bond and double bond. 2 double bonds are linked through sigma bond. So the first question is CH2 double bond H C HO, CHO, aldehyde. So it is propanaldehyde. So it is double bond, sigma bond and double bond. A conjugation is there. Delocalization of pi electrons takes place. So here more electronegative atom, the pi electrons move towards more electronegative atom, it attracts, and the positive charge comes here because the electrons movement takes place, and a negative charge come on this oxygen atom this time, right? So here again this positive charge attracts here the pi electrons, double bond. Now this double bond come to this side, and again this space is formed, right? So this is the first question. Now come to the second question. Beta, before second question, I would like to say something to you. So beta, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Beta, like the video and subscribe the channel and share as much as you can. Share. The concepts must be clear to all the students, much more students. So share to the other students, right? So second question is double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond and double bond. Double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond. Benzene, the conjugation is there. So delocalization of pi electrons takes place. This come this side. And this one, this come this side. Again let's take double bond and double bond. So it will move towards this, it will move towards this. Here the species come, the negative charge, and here comes the positive charge, and here is the double bond. And again this come this side, this come this side, right? Now the one more question is double bond, sigma, double bond. Conjugation is there. So movement of pi electrons, this come to this side, this come to this side. And the species come in existence is oxygen, negative charge, double bond, and here comes the positive charge this time. So again the movement of pi electrons takes place, again the resonating structures comes, right? So this is on, these are the questions on the basis of the fourth type. Now come to the fifth type. Now the fifth type is the conjugation between the lone pair and empty p orbital. The first question is NH2 BH2. But nitrogen has 5 electrons and 3 are shared in this. 2 remains as a lone pair on nitrogen atom which can be donated. So a lone pair is there, and as far as this boron concerned, boron has 3 electrons in its outermost shell. Boron 5 electrons electron configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. So 3 electrons are there, right? And the electronic configuration will be in excited state. In excited state. Excited state of boron. So here one empty orbital is present on boron atom, right? And this empty orbital can accept the lone pair of beta. One thing I would like to say you, please like, share and subscribe the video.